Hi everyone, Angela here. If you struggle to attach a zipper pull by hand, I'll show you how you can make a few simple jigs. You can purchase a jig like this that clamps onto your table and has a bit of height adjustment. It comes with different size plates that you screw onto the top. Measure for the correct size plate, attach at the top, and adjust the height. Place the zipper slider on the end with the back side up, and then with the zipper teeth down, push the zipper tape through. You can also turn the plate around and pull the zipper tape towards you. Another jig you can purchase is this plastic tabletop one. It has slots for size 3 and size 5 sliders and a non-slip pad on the bottom. I find this one easier to use if you put something underneath to give it just a bit more height. I'll leave the links for these jigs down in the description. A few years ago, I went hunting for something I could use as a cheap zipper jig. I found these stick-on towel holders were just perfect. Because of the V-shape opening, you can use it with any size slider. Stick onto your tabletop or a wall to conveniently use as a jig. To make your own jig, all you need is a mug or a small jar and a fork. The wider it is between the tines, the better. Have the back of the fork facing you and place it in the bottle. Just add a bit of tape to keep it from moving. I forgot to mention earlier, make sure you're putting the front crown of the slider into the opening, leaving the side gaps free for the tape. If you have unused fondue forks hidden away somewhere, other than the sharp points at the top, they work perfectly as a jig. Just cover the tops with some thick tape, and both large and small sliders fit in really nicely. These small cell phone stands are really great as you can angle them, and they've got that little opening in the back. Pop a fork into it and then use a thick rubber band to hold it in place. The rubber band on the bottom also keeps it from sliding around. The simplest jig you can make is using some thin, stiff cardboard. Cut an opening about 1 inch long with the width the same as the front of the slider. Put the slider in with the pull tab down. Then with your hands holding down the cardboard, slide in the tape. I hope you found these hacks helpful. Thanks again for watching. Take care and happy sewing.